We've got professional grade pre-owned trucks right here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. This is a pre-owned 2022 GMC Sierra 6.2 liter V8 automatic transmission, heated and vented power seats. We've got navigation, moonroof, sunroof, wireless charging, only 4,500 miles on this thing. Bose stereo system, second row monolithic floor mats, more storage right here underneath, rear air power, also in-seat storage right here. Beverage window, and check it out. Click the step side. Guess what? Comes aft. You can step up and get inside this coated bed liner. Check that out. 22-inch wheels. 2 clicks on the fob. Boom. Tailgate deploys. Push the button right here. Step up inside. Got your handle. LED lit. Close it up. That easy. Hook up your trailer. You're ready to go. Professional grade, pre-owned right here. Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Weslaco. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want, located through Quieres regardless.